welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be doing a sneaker collection. This is not going to be my whole entire shoe collection, so I'm not going to be including like my Uggs, my Timberlands, and just like flip-flops, slides, and other things like that. This is going to strictly be my sneakers. You guys have actually been requesting this video, which I'm surprised for because this isn't the typical like content that I really do on my channel, but I do have one other shoe collection video up from a couple of years ago, so it is quite old and I have gotten a lot of shoes since that video. So I thought I would do like kind of an updated collection video. Now, I would not call myself like a sneakerhead. Like, I like shoes and I'm into them, but I'm definitely not like all about them. Like, I know some names and like the brands and things like that, but I don't know like other things. So the first pair of shoes that I'm going to be showing you are my black Nike Air Forces. I love these shoes so much. They're definitely my most beloved. Air Force Ones I'm obsessed with. I literally have 3 of them. I really want to get a either black or a white pair of high tops because I do have a red pair of Air Force high tops, but I think the black looks so sleek. They match with like almost anything you wear and I wear them all the time. They're starting to get creased, but yeah, I absolutely love them and I'm obsessed with these. Definitely my favorite pair of shoes that I own. And that brings us to our next pair of shoes, which are the red Nike Air Force high tops. I love these a lot too. Definitely my second favorite pair of shoes. I love the detailing on the lace. I think it looks so sick. I do try and keep my shoes pretty clean, as you can see, but if anybody's wondering, the shoe cleaner that I use is the Soph Shoe Care Insta Shoe Cleaner. It's really good for leather and things like that, and I just use that with a toothbrush to clean them. My favorite style of shoes are definitely high tops. Like, I just love how they look. Yeah, this is my last pair of Air Forces. They're these like really beautiful pink, like purplish metallic Air Force Ones. The camera's probably not picking it up, but in real life it has like a greenish sheen to it, like when it hits certain lighting. On the back it has Nike Air in red, and it has red here and on the inside, which I think is really, really cool. Probably my favorite part of the shoe because I love red. I don't wear these too often just because like it's really hard to match these with an outfit. But again, love the style of Air Forces. That's why I have the black ones, so they go with more outfits, you know. But I still really, really love these shoes. Okay, so I actually forgot, but I do have a 4th pair of Air Forces. These are just plain white and black low tops. These are super, super old though. When I bought them, they were originally too big for me, and my sister tried wearing them, and she's like 3 sizes lower than me as it is, and they were too big on me, so they were definitely never ever gonna fit her. And she wore them one day and she tied the laces so tight so they fit her feet, and you can imagine if somebody with super, super small feet that doesn't fit a shoe is gonna crease them so bad. And oh my god, I was so mad at her when I found out that she creased these. Like, look how bad these shoes are, you guys. I kind of stopped wearing them because of how bad they're creased. You honestly can't even see how badly they're creased, but in real life it looks 10 times worse. And I stopped wearing them as much when she wore them because she honestly ruined them, and I was so mad at her for the longest time. Kind of still a little bit salty about it. And I bought these when I was just getting into shoes, so this was my first pair of Air Forces and she ruined them. And it kind of has like a yellowish tint like around the Nike symbol, which I don't know why. I did not bleach them. I didn't really do anything to them, so I don't know why they're like that, but yeah, they stayed pretty clean. The Nike sign's velvet. I really, really like them, but again, the creasing kind of kills the whole vibe. Yeah, that kind of sucks, but I really do like these. And then my next pair of shoes are these white Huaraches. These are fairly new, so they do look like never worn, but I've worn them quite a lot since I got them. They are super clean. I used to have a pair of light pink Huaraches and I really, really love those. I wore them all the time, but they got like super dirty because the mesh here is super, super hard to clean. So I ended up giving them away. But yeah, these, I love them so much. Okay, so this next one I cannot say for the life of me. Everybody always tells me I'm saying it wrong. Nike Roches. I know they're probably called like Roches or like something like that, but I say Roches, okay? So deal with it. I know it's wrong, but whatever, we're gonna go with it. I do wear these shoes, but you can tell they're not my most worn shoe. They are very clean. They almost look untouched, but I just keep up with my shoes a lot, and I don't tie my laces. I know lots of people don't. I especially don't for my Roches. Yeah, they're just this really, really nice red, vibrant color. Oh my god, next up are my prized possessions. I literally tried avoiding wearing these for the longest time because they are my most expensive shoes that I bought. They were my first and only Jordans that I've ever bought, and I love them. They're the Retro 13s in Grey Wolf, and I've wanted these for the longest time, and last summer I finally decided to splurge my money on them. When I first bought them, I tried to avoid wearing them because I noticed that this velvet got dirty really, really, really quickly, and it's still kind of dirty. But I did clean it to the best of my ability, and I do wear them a lot more often now because they're not as valuable as when I first bought them. They are quite old, but I still love them. I don't think I'm like gonna get rid of them ever. So next up, these are my newest pair of shoes. I only wear these once because I literally got them a couple days ago. But these are the Adidas Superstars, I'm pretty sure, with the white and the rose gold stripes and on the back here. And it has like a cloud foam sole. They're really, really comfortable. Next up are So Typical. They're just some plain white high top Converse. Wear these all the time in the summer. Probably my favorite shoe for in the summer. I had these for quite a while and I do wear them a lot. So next are these plain black classic high top Vans. I don't wear these too much. I did get them towards the end of last summer and I feel like they're kind of like a summery shoe, just because I wouldn't go for these in the winter. So I haven't worn them like much, if even at all. So I'm definitely going to be wearing them a lot more this summer. As you can see, the bottoms look like almost brand new. And these are another really, really comfortable shoe. Last up for my sneakers are my oldest pair that I own. I've had these for so long. They've been through a lot. They're super soft. They're just plain gray and white Nike high tops. I'm not sure what they're called. They don't say anywhere on it. I know they're called something, but to me they're just plain gray and white Nike high tops. But I got these like 2 or 3 summers ago for playing basketball in the summer, and I wore them for that reason. So they're kind of like scuffed up and creased. I don't really wear them for any other reason but basketball in the summer. So yeah, there's not too much to say about these. So I actually lied. I do have one more pair of sneakers, and I don't know what these are called either. If you know, please let me know down below. Like, tag this time in the video and then put the name. But they look super cute for like running shoes. I love the way that mesh Nikes look, but I hate the way that they clean up. They're super hard to get dirt out of, and they stain so easily. So I don't really wear these for like any other occasion but like running or working out indoors or something like that. It says Nike down here at the bottom. It has a little swoosh up there. And they're kind of high top styled, but like they're not high tops, if you know what I mean. But that was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you guys liked it, make sure to give it a thumbs up, and also comment down below what your favorite type of shoe is. It doesn't have to be something that I showed in this video today, just like your dream shoe. And if you could buy any shoe in the world right now, what would it be? Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and also don't forget to turn on all of my post notifications so you can see me in your Dropbox every time I upload a video. But yeah, that was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I love you all so much, and bye guys.